Hi guys. Anywho, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back after a while. I have been sick, I have been dying. I haven't fully recovered, but I'm still under medication. I'm feeling better. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it has been a while. Come Baba, come say hi. Come. Say hi guys. Yeah, mommy. Hi. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys. Chill. I said my lighting is not good, but this we'll have to upload this here. So I made this DIY wig. Should I wear it? Let me just try and see how this is going to look. I know it looks a mess, but I'm not done with it yet. I'm supposed to trim it and stuff. It's going to look better than this. I am sure. So I'm supposed to trim it to the size I want it to be. But yeah. Anywho, I wanted to do a quick unboxing, not unboxing, a post unboxing, whatever. So I got this bag from Marketing the other day. I went shopping with my family. It's a nice cute bag for going to the beach with it. I think it's cute, it's pretty, and it was very affordable. Like for this bag, it was, and it's new. Then I managed to buy this set. These are delicious. Okay, they're nice. I love this detail over here, and it's gold. Yeah, I really love. I think they're nice. They're pretty and they're simple. Yeah, I like this pair for me. And then I also got myself these flats. I got this in red, and I have another pair in not the same pair, but a different set in brown. Then I think my biggest purchase last week, this week, I can't even remember, my head is all over, is this pair. Bro, this pair is chic. It's lit. I know it looks so nice, and look at the heel. I think this is a 2-inch whatever, but guys, in a couple, and then it's so comfortable, and the color complements my skin, and it really looks so nice. I can't put them on side, but they're really nice. This was my greatest purchase of the day. So yeah, that's the vlog. That's it. If you're new here, like. If you're a returning subscriber, kindly subscribe to this channel. I love you guys so much, and yeah, bye. Nakushika. Smile.
The next day.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a quick one. I've missed you guys obviously, and I'm going to pick a delivery of mine, jumia delivery. This is my DIY wig. It's looking nice, and this is the outfit for today. This is my bag. It's cute, yeah. So it's supposed to look. So yeah, I want to run to and pick my delivery. So see you in a few. Bye. This is how they look, and I think they're nice.
The next day.